Hello everyone, I am Dhanashri Pathak. I in this video I solved my internal test paper question 1 and question 2. So the question 1 is how unstructured data are analyzed. Give example of data mining activities to analyze unstructured text data. The answer is analyzing unstructured data involves extracting meaningful patterns and insights from data that do not have a predefined model or structure. Unstructured data can include text, image, audio, and video. In the context of text data, common forms of unstructured data include social media posts, customer review, emails, or documents. So next we discuss steps of analyzing unstructured text data. Step 1, data collection. The first step is to collect raw unstructured data. For example, you might gather product review from an e-commerce site or social media post related to the particular topics. Next, the second step is pre-processing. Unstructured data is noisy and often contain irrelevant or redundant information. Text data processing typically involves tokenization, stop word removal, lower casting, steaming, remove spatial characters and punctuation, handling missing data. So first we discuss tokenization, splitting the text into words, sentences, or phrases. Next is stop word removal. Removes common words like the and is, which is not carries significant meaning. Lower casting, converting all text to lower caste to ensure consistency. Stemming, reduce words to their from roots from. Example, running to run, removing spatial characters and punctuation. Um, cleaning the text to focus on the words that matter. Next step is handling missing data. In the in If there are gaps, decided whether to impute, remove, or ignore them. Next step is text representation. In text representation, once the data is clean, it must be converted into a format that can be analyzed. This is typically done using bog of words. Represents the text as the set of words frequencies without considering grammar or word order. Next is term frequency inverse documentation frequency, IDF, a weighted scheme that evaluates the importance of words in a document relative to a crops. Next is word embedding, vector representation of words such as word to base or fast text, which captures semantic meaning. Next step is analyzing. Various data mining techniques are employed to uncover insights from the unstructured data. Once the some of those techniques include stop. Some of those techniques includes the techniques are: first technique is topic modeling, automatically identify topics or themes in the text. Techniques like techniques LDA are often used for this. Next is semantic analysis, analyzing the sentiments, sentiment analysis, analyzing the sentiments or emotion conveyed in text data, often used in customer feedback or social media monitoring. Next is text classification, categorize text into predefined labels such as spam detection or sentiment classification. Next is named entity recognition, NER, identify entities like people, organization, location, etc. within the text. Next is clustering, grouping similar documents or text based on their content, useful for tasks like content categorization. Next step is interpretation. After applying data mining techniques, the result must be interpreted. This may involves visualization like word cloud, topic distribution, or sentiment trends over times. So this is all about the data mining techniques. And then next we discuss example of data mining activities, sentiment analysis of customer review. Let's walk through an example of data mining activities to analyze unstructured text data, especially sentiment analysis of customer review of a product. First step is collect data. You collect customer review from an e-commerce website where each review consists of a text. For example, I love this phone, the camera is amazing, or the phone is too slow, I regret buying it. Next, step 2, process the text. Tokenization break down each review into individual words or phrases. Stop word removal, remove common words like the, is, etc. Lower casting converts all text lower cast for consistency, and streaming converts words to their base, from example loved to loved and loved to love. Remove punctuation, get right to punctuation marks. Step 3 is text representation. You convert the process text into numerical features. Use TF, IDF to represent the importance of each words across reviews. Step 4 is sentiment analysis. You train a sentiment analysis model using a label dataset where reviews are text as positive, negative, or neutral. Alternatively, you can solve a pretend model, example, a Tableau, etc. The model analyzed each review and predicts whether the sentiment is positive or negative. Step 5 is interpretation. You visualize the result using chart like a bar chart showing the percentage of positive, negative, and neutral reviews. A, a word cloud of highlight the most frequency mentioned term in the positive or negative reviews. You can also analyze trends over time to see if customer sentiments is important or uh, declined. Step 6, actionable insights. The Based on the sentiment analysis, the business can take action like addressing frequent complaints highlighted in negative reviews, highlighting features that customer love to marketing com- campaignings. Other techniques used in text mining is first is clustering. If you don't have predefined categories, you can use clustering. You can use clusters, customer review based on content, which might group similar feedback together. Next technique is topic modeling. Discover underlining items to review, such as battery life, and camera quality or price, as separated topics discussed in the reviews. Next is text classification. Categorized review into specific topics such as product quality, customer service, etc. And then this is all about the text question number 2 of my internal test. So I hope you understand the question 1, and now we solve the next question. The question 2 is text mining techniques you how text mining techniques you can automate the process of classifying written complaints. Answer: to automate the process of classifying written complaint text mining techniques are essential in transforming unstructured text into structured data that can be processed by algorithms. Here's streaming approach. First approach is processing. Tokenization split text into individual words or sentences. Second, stop word removal. Eliminate common non-informative words like the, is, etc. Streaming: reduce words to their roots from for example, uh, campaigning to campaign. And then next is text normalization. Converts the text to lowercase and remove punctuation. Second step is feature extraction. IDF create a matrix that reflects the importance of each words in the complaint relative to the entire dataset. And then word embedding. Use modeling to word to ways and fast text that captures semantic meaning of words. Text classification, labeling complaints, manual label a sample of complaints with categories such as products issues, customer services, delivery delay, etc. Supervised learning use label data to train the classifiers such as NeoBIOS, SVM, or deep learning models, for example, LSTM, BERT, to automatically classify new complaints. Next is model training. Feed the feature extracted complaints data into the classifier, learning from patterns in the text too, associated certain words and phrases with predefined categories. Fourth step is model evaluation. Matrices. Evaluate the model using accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score on the test set of complaints. Cross validation, use techniques like k-fold cross validation to ensure the model generalized well to unseen complaints. Fifth is deployment. By once trained the classifier can automatically assign categories to new complaints in real time, helping automates the sorting and routine process for faster resolution by combining this text mining techniques. You can create system that automatically process and classifies complaints, saving time and ensures efficient handling to customer issues. So this is all about question 2, and in this video we solve question 1 and question 2. So I hope you understand better question 1 and question 2. So this is all about today's video, and thank you for watching this video.